Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. I was excited when the July paper pumpkin kit arrived and I'll tell you what, it has been a crazy summer. Does anyone agree with me? I feel like I am not alone. So it's taken me a few days to get my kit put together, get some alternative ideas for you, but I'm really excited to share some of these alternative ideas that I've put together for you. So I hope you'll watch along and take a look at them. So this month's kit was called The Adventure Begins. And if you don't know this about Paper Pumpkin, each month Stampin' Up! Shares kind of a preview image for the month leading up to when the kit comes out that gives you a little bit of an idea of what the kit will look like. Now, we don't ever know exactly what's in it, like if it's going to be cards or boxes or something else, but we get little preview images. And I think the preview image was something like one of these trees. So I knew it was outdoorsy, but when I opened it, I was so excited and it completely exceeded my expectations. I have just been loving these kits more and more, and I know I hear that from a lot of you as well. So if you haven't tried Paper Pumpkin, you'll have to think about it. It's a great program. It's only $22 a month. Great, really a great price for everything you get in it. So what did I get in this kit? I got stamps, and I have a feeling you'll understand this too. My craft table is a little bit of a mess right now, so hopefully I can find everything I want to share with you. So stamps. Now, a lot of my stamps are removed, but here you can see the sheet that has the printed images on it. So some nice greetings, trees, fireflies. I really like the stamp set here. We get stamps, we get ink, we got a mini ink spot like usual. This month's color is garden green. We get all the paper supplies for 12 cards, and these are really fun cards. I think I'll wait just a second to show you, but all the cards now. Envelopes. Is it weird if I say that the envelopes are one of my favorite things about Paper Pumpkin? They are so cute. They're always really pretty. So we got the envelopes for all of them. We got, let's see, embellishments, the adhesives, all the stuff to make these cards. And then I can keep the stamps and ink and a few leftover pieces to craft with in the future, which was really nice. So we got enough materials for 4 each of 3 different card designs. So this is the first design, and of course you can choose which stamps you want to use, the stamps from the kit, or if you have other stamps, I know many of you do, pull on some of your other stamps if you prefer. But when you open these cards, they actually have a 3rd flap, which is really neat. And then I haven't decorated the inside yet, but I will soon. So you can decorate the inside and stamp it as you like. So we have 4 of the lantern card. Here is the tree mountain scene card. I really like these flaps. I like that cutout in the front. And this one is adorable. The little camper, let the adventure begin. I think this would be perfect for graduation, marriage, honestly, anything where somebody is having a change in their life circumstances. So those are what the kit was designed to create. Now, I wanted to show you very quickly, and this will be very fast, how to assemble these cards, because when I first got it, I had to look at the directions for a minute to figure out what I was doing. And I thought it would be quick and easy just to show you how to put these pieces together. Now, for these cards, I have already stamped the tree accent stamp here, and then I've stamped greetings on each of the other pieces. So I'm going to talk real quick about some things coming up with Stampin' Up! While I assemble these, and you can watch how I put these together. So this is kind of a big time with Stampin' Up! We are here towards the end of July. August will be starting very soon, which is crazy. The kids go back to school soon. It is very hard to believe. But what's happening with Stampin' Up! Is here in, let's see, just not even a week now, or a little over a week, I should say, we are releasing our holiday catalog. Now, I know a lot of you have received it. If you shop with me, you should have gotten one in the mail, or you should be receiving it very soon. And So all those products are released on August 3rd. Now, along with that, for the first time ever, we are having a second celebration this year, which I am pumped. I'm pumped about it. Celebration. We all love Celebration and the specials that come along with it. And it's really exciting to have a second one this year, especially with our holiday catalog. I mean, everybody loves the holiday catalog and ordering from it typically anyway. And now we have some added specials with Celebration. So I made a little snafu right here. I'll have to replace that tag, but that's okay. So I stamped the lightning bugs. So with Celebration, what is going on is we have ordering specials, hosting specials, and sign-up specials. And the ordering special is with every $50 or $100 that you spend, you can choose a free item. So we have stamp sets, we have paper packs, we have, what else? Dies. There's at least one die set. I don't have my list in front of me, but there are some really neat products. I was playing around with one of the stamp sets yesterday that is absolutely beautiful. I'll actually be sharing those with you on the new catalog release day, Tuesday the 3rd. So keep that in mind. If you have a wish list, with every $50 or $100 you spend, you will get to choose a free item. Then, if you have a large order, or if you want to host a Facebook party with me, or you can also collect a few orders on your own. If you get to $300 total in orders, either on your own or with some friends, you can get an extra stamp set absolutely free in addition to all your hostess rewards. It's a really nice set. It's a really nice greeting set, which I know I love in my stamping collection. And then the best offer of all, I'll mention quickly here, and then I want to show you these alternatives, is the sign-up special. I'm going to wait. If you haven't seen the catalog, I don't want to ruin the surprise, but we have a really good sign-up special. So if you would love to get a discount on your stamping supplies, if you would love to join a really great group of women who share some of those same interests as you with love of stamping and just supporting each other, I would love to talk to you about joining my team. It's a really great offer. It is a really, really good deal this time during the months of August and September. So think about that. And if you are interested, please let me know. Now let's look at these alternatives. And one of them we're going to finish right here together. I'm going to save that one for last because it's lots of fun. So first I will show you, this is a pretty simple alternative idea, but if you prefer not to have the big open window in front, I just put a piece of vellum behind here and gives it a little bit of a muted effect, which I thought was nice. You can put a piece of window sheet in there as well. If you want it to be a little bit sturdier, you can put a window sheet in there and you would just have a clear window. But that's one thing you can do. When I unfolded these cards and had those 3 flaps, I thought, wow, that would make a really cute scrapbook page. So what I did was I unfolded 2 of the cards, the lantern card and the camper card, and I cut the pieces on the fold lines. Then I had to trim the white pieces down a little bit to make them fit, but I thought these pieces and these pieces would make really nice photo mats for some camping pictures, some outdoor pictures, some camp pictures for kids. But I thought that turned out really cute, and I made this in probably 2 minutes. So that's always nice when you can put things together quickly. Here is one. I was looking at those 3 flaps on the card like, okay, what can I do with this? Well, what about some cute little lanterns? So all I did was on this piece right here, I created a score line 1/2 inch from the edge. Then I attached some adhesive to that flap and folded it together. I put some vellum behind it before I set it up here like this. And now I can put a little battery operated tea light in here and have a cute little lantern. So I thought these would be really cute. They could be cute gifts for someone you know who loves to camp. They'd be cute sitting on a picnic table when you're outside camping or just enjoying a fire in the backyard or something like that. So that's a fun idea. And then I have one more, which actually turns into 2. So because the card has 3 flaps, I thought, well, we can extend this. We can cut some of that off and make these card kits go farther and actually create more cards with them. So what I did on this last example, which like I said is more like 2 examples, I open up the front flap, open up this one, and I cut this back piece off. So when I cut that piece off, it was actually the tree card design, so it looks a little bit different. But I cut that piece off and then I mounted it to a separate card base, stamped the inside, and I have an extra card that way, which is nice. So you could do that and have twice as many cards if you want to with your whole kit. Now, what am I going to do with that piece that was left? Well, this is fun. And I have to give my team member Eva Wiley credit for this because I would not have thought of this otherwise. But we are going to create a shaker card, which is a super idea. So what I did, I just took a white card base from my collection that did not come with the kit. So I just pulled one out and I stamped some of the trees on with those stamps that came in the kit. I put some of these foam strips around the edge, and I want one of these foam strips right below where this window is so that it will hold the sequins so that we can see them. If I didn't have this piece right here, my sequins would all fall down to the bottom and we might not see them down here. So that's why I boxed this area in, and then I put a piece across here just to help hold all of this up so it doesn't get smushed. Now I need some sequins, otherwise it's not going to be a shaker card. I really like this sequin assortment, and I thought these green ones were perfect for this. Oh, now that I'm looking at the red ones, if you wanted to mix red and green, this could be a really cool Christmas card. If you just change up your sentiment down here. I think I'm going to do green and some of these gold ones. Okay, now I've already pulled the paper backing off. Now we have sequins stuck in it. If you put your sequins in first and then pull your paper backing off, it may be good. Now I just need to lower this down right on top. So I'm going to try to make sure I have it lined up before I lower it. Give that a good press so that it's all sealed together and your sequins don't fall out. Oh, I did forget to mention, but I put a piece of window sheet behind this window on this front piece that I was just holding. So make sure you do that, otherwise your sequins will fall out the front. But isn't that cute? Oh, there's just a lot of things you can do with this kit, and really all of the kits. I know some crafters enjoy the freedom, I guess, of not using kits, but it's really nice to be able to have these that are already pre-planned. You can just sit down, make a fun project without doing much of the work. And like I just showed, you can still change things up and put them together in different ways if you like. So that's it for July's Paper Pumpkin. If you want to sign up for next month's, let's see, I have a preview right here. The Hope box. We all need a little hope, right? And I don't know about you, I send more thinking of you and encouragement cards than I send anything else. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what comes in next month's Hope box. So you have until August 10th to sign up for that. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this and it gave you some ideas for your kit if you have one, and maybe we inspired you to try out Paper Pumpkin if you haven't yet. So hope to hear from you soon. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again next time.